This time we're being asked to prove that the product of two even integers is a multiple of 4. So let's see if we believe that. Suppose that the first integer, let's say, is 2, and I'm going to multiply it by another integer. Let's say the integer is, I don't know, it has to be even, so let's say 6. 2 times 6 is going to be 12. The idea here is that 12 is supposed to be a multiple of 4. Is that really true? Let's find out. 12, can it be written as 4 times an integer? The answer is yes. All I have to do is put a 3 in there. Let's try it out one more time. How about if I started off with, I don't know, let's say 10 multiplied by some other random even integer. How about we pick 12? What is the solution going to be? 120. And is that a multiple of 4? So 120 is actually 4 times 30. And 30 is an integer, so it seems that the theorem is actually true. So the question is, can you actually prove that this theorem is true, or that this statement is true? Take some time to pause the video here and try to figure out if you can prove this statement. Okay, so we begin by writing the word proof, and we are supposed to begin with two random even integers. So I'm going to start with a and b being the integers, and also I want them to be both even. I want to show in this problem that 4 divides the product of these integers. So in other terms, I want to show, WTS stands for want to show, that 4 divides a times b. Now keep in mind that both a and b are even, so we can use the definition of even to write a as 2 times k and b as 2 times t, where k and t are both some random integers. This is true because of the definition of even. And once I write a as 2k and b as 2t, I can talk about the product of a and b, which is now 2k times 2t. But together, that multiplies to be 4 times k times t. And keep in mind that k and t are integers, so their product, kt, is also exactly an integer. Which is great because we need the fact that it's an integer to say that 4 times an integer is equal to ab. So in other terms, this means that 4 is now a factor of a and b. In other terms, ab can be divided by 4. And that's exactly what we're going to show in this problem. We want to show that 4 divides the product of a and b. So all we had to do is write 4 in the answer of the product of a and b, and show that the rest of the numbers that are written down are just some random integer. That's enough to prove that 4 divides the quantity a times b.